MRSEC CAM is a Materials Research Science and Engineering Centre. We have two incredibly exciting challenges we're addressing. The use of artificial intelligence for quantum materials. Materials are able to work in extreme conditions.
We hope to address really pressing societal needs. How can we use the properties of quantum mechanics, the very small interactions between individual electrons or constituents? How can we harness the power of quantum mechanics to do new things, to do applications that just aren't possible via classical technologies? Again, that can have implications for sustainable energy, for quantum communication, national security concerns.
We're working to make materials that can withstand the harshest environments in Earth and beyond, to understand how material complexity affects structural responses, the way a material is formed and made at extremes, and to make previously unobtainable materials through these extremes.
UT was rather forward-thinking in terms of investing deeply in expertise in quantum materials. We have a very deep bench in that area, but also in AI.
University of Tennessee, in fact, has incredible strengths, particularly in materials. It is a world leader in advanced materials.
University of Tennessee has the people in our faculty and our students. We have the great experimental resources, and we have a really interesting ecosystem with the Tennessee Valley Authority, with Oak Ridge National Lab, and all kinds of surrounding industries interested in extreme materials, that this makes a great place to do this type of research.
Partnerships are a crucial part of what we do. We're tailoring education to the future, to team science, using all these new capabilities, this transformative changes in the way we do science. This is a place you can learn about it.